Repeat what and all we have studied till now. We have studied concept of business and economic activity, non-economic activity meaning and its example. Then we have started with the activities. Economic activity is divided into three types. Its classification, business, profession and employment. I have started with the meaning of business. Business is nothing but it's an economic activity which involves production and sale of goods and services undertaken with the motive of earning profit and satisfying the need of the human needs in the society. Next, we have also studied the characteristics like an economic activity, production of sale of production and sale of goods and services. Goods and services are dealing on a regular basis and earning profit. And next, we have studied certainty of return and the element of risk. All this we have studied in the case of the business. As I told, economic activity is three types, that is business, profession, employment. We understood the concept of business. Now let us see the profession. What is profession? Profession is nothing but which requires special knowledge and skills. Okay, correct? Which requires special knowledge and skills in a particular field. For example, a lawyer, a professional, or a doctor, or a engineer, or a CA, chartered accountant. They require special knowledge in their field. For example, if he is a medical student, if he is a professional, if he is a doctor, he need to know the medical law, how it should be, how he has to have a certificate under the medical, what in all the instructions they give, that should be done. He need to have a specified qualification, specified knowledge should be, knowledge and the skill is required in order to call him as a professional. If he is a chartered accountant, he should pass all the exams, basic exams or the final exams, all that he has to pass. Then only it is considered as a profession. So profession requires the high knowledge, high qualification, then only it is considered as a profession. Okay. And here the professionals, what money they earn, in the business what money they earn, we call it as a profit. But the professional, what money they earn, we call it as a fees. We don't call it as a profit, money what they are earning, we call it as a fees. And these professionals, in order to start their work, they need to have a professional certificate under the authorized board authority. They need to take those certificates, then only they are able to start their professionals. Then only they are considered as a professionals. Okay. Next, under economic activity, the third activity what we studied is employment. In professional, it belongs to an individual. We can't tell all are professional. Say in a market, you will find 10 members. We can't tell all 10 members are professionals. Professionals are individual. Those have that individual degree, individual qualification. Those who have, they are considered as a professionals. But here, employment. What is employment? Working under someone. Okay, we are working under someone. They are considered as an employee. Who is that someone? Employer and employee. Employee is a person who works under the employee. So here we have the relationship between the employer and employee. Employee is a person, one who works under the employer. Employer is a head. Employee is a person who works under him. So whatever the employer will tell, employee should do. Here it is not like that. It is professionals according to their professional body, how it is authorized to, in that form only they work. Business according to the rules of the business they go. But in the employment they can't go however they wish. What employer has given the work, in that form only employee should form it. And the employee is responsible for work whatever the employer has given to him. Okay. Here in the business, money what we earn, we call it as a profit. In a profession, money what we earn is called it as a fees, like lawyer fees, doctor fees, chartered accountant fees, all that we call. In employment, we call it as either salary or we call it as a wages. Salary is not, what is the differences between salary and wages? Salary means every now and then we don't receive. At the end of the month we receive a money, lump sum money or the total money what you have earned for the month, it is called as a salary. Whereas wages means it is on a daily wages or daily or weekly ones, the money what you collect, it is called as wages. So only the employer, only in the employment you can see the word salary or the wages, because we work under the heads working in a insurance company or working in a bank as a clerk, peon or the manager or the assistant manager or working in one of the office, it is all considered as a employment. Okay. With this I have finished telling about the business economic activity. So economic activity are of three types, that is business, profession and employment. In the next class, let us see the differences of business, profession and employment. All this will be asked for 2 marks each. Okay. Thank you, students.